Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AxisVM training course, and the topic for today will be saving to drawings library. I've opened one of the examples I have in my computer. It's not very important for the particular case what we are seeing. In particular, the purpose to save to drawing library. It's a function that we can access through this icon here. Okay, we have the function. We have a couple of functions here, so multiple drawings, and we can open also the drawing library. We will leave this drawing library itself to the next lesson. Multiple drawings, so we can choose from a variety of cases, but before, let me give you a brief notion. The idea here is to save one or more drawings to what we call here the drawing library. And we can create a couple of things. So when multiple drawings button open, which we've done, we can save load cases, load combinations. We can choose these cases, the calculations, and the idea is to save the images, and not only the images, but the possibility to reopen them when we choose and when we manage this information through the drawings library. So the idea is to choose whatever we want through these cases. Okay, choose them, do OK, and basically the functions are saved to the drawing library, which we will see in the next lesson. One particular note, because instead of one single window, we can have, for example, two windows with different views. I will not make these different views now, it's not important, just the concept. And when we save to drawings library, for sure we can choose again different cases in multiple drawings, but the difference now it is the possibility to save the complete view with all window panels, or simply choose from the active window only one panel. So this is also one possibility that we may have. Okay, so override, okay, and it is saved. This is a concept that we will develop now with drawing libraries, and continuing with the lessons and with examples inside Axis. Any help about this topic? So let us know. We will give you all the necessary support.